Hi everyone, Dr. Alex here. I want to ask you a simple question. How many of you would take your family on a 1,000-mile road trip without ever checking your car first? Probably not many of us, where most of us would check the tires, the oil, make sure the brakes are working, make sure everything is working the way it should. But here's another question. Why don't we think about our bodies the same way? Where summer is one of the busiest times of year, people are out, we're golfing, we're in the garden, we're taking vacations, we're playing with our kids, our grandkids, we're working around the house, we're going on long walks at night. Well, our bodies are doing a lot more than they were just a few months ago. And here's what I've noticed over the years. Most people don't get hurt doing something like extraordinary. They get hurt doing something they've done hundreds, if not thousands of times before, whether it's bending over to pull a weed or picking up a suitcase, lifting a cooler, reaching into a back seat. Well, why does this happen? Because those little stresses build up over time. Our bodies are amazing, but they also need regular maintenance. And that's one of the reasons I believe so strongly in chiropractic care. It's not just about helping you feel better when something hurts. It's about helping your body move the way it was designed to move before those little problems become a bigger issue. Think about it this way. You don't change the oil because your engine has already failed. You change it so it doesn't fail. The same idea applies to your health, where take care of your body before it asks for your attention, because at the end of the day, we only have one body. It's the only body you'll ever have. And remember, your health is one of the greatest investments you'll ever make. Every health choice matters and every step forward counts. So until next time, keep moving, keep smiling, and keep investing in your health. I hope you have a wonderful day.